What's up, guys? Shawn Mayo here, and today I'm going to show you how we're using AMZ Scout to find new products from brands that we're already selling. You can also use this for research, but we'll show you how to do that in another video. Today I'm researching how we can use a brand we're already selling to find more products, and we deal with a lot of bigger brands. We do a lot of toys. Obviously, we have multiple toy stores, so if we're buying from someone like Mattel or Hasbro or Crayola or one of those big brands, they may have thousands of different products, and in every category you're going to find brands like this, whether it's things like Procter and Gamble in home or paper goods, or Nestle in food, or there's going to be brands in every category that have just a ton of products that just doesn't make sense searching a website or whatever it is. So we can use AMZ Scout to search for a brand. We're just going to put the brand in the keyword area. So if we just put in Hasbro, we can narrow it down just to look at toys by clearing these and clicking on toys and games and doing a search. So what I like about this is we can see all the information in one place. Obviously the category, sales rank, subcategories that it's going to be in, and then of course the subcategory rank, estimated sales, and estimated revenue. So they're basically going to multiply the current price by the estimated number of sales, and that's the revenue. So that would be the revenue for all sellers estimated monthly. And then of course price, what Amazon fees are selling FBA, and then this is what your net profit's going to be if you sell it at the current sales price. This is the date added, and you may have blank, or you may have an innocuous date like this. This just means it was added before Amazon started tracking that that information. So if it's a newer product, you'll have the exact date that it was added to the catalog. Then of course you have things like reviews, ratings. You don't want to be selling a product that has a low rating. Obviously, that's going to mean a lot of returns, weight, and the number of sellers, of course. And then with this tool, you really don't have to keep going back and looking at Keepa. You can see a lot of the data here by just looking at the graphs. So if we bring one of those up, we can see what's been going on with trending price. We can see the price is very steady, and then the rank does not have a whole lot of movement up and down, which means it's going to have a lot of good sales. You can look at a month, 2 months, a year, 2 years, or the all-time history, so we can see what it's been doing over time, and we can see over the last several years it's been very consistent. Consistent products are great. Another option that I love with this tool are the new products and trending products. So if we can see this first one is trending, so what trending means in AMZ Scout is that we're going to be able to see the products very quickly that are growing, and usually it's that sales have been growing at least 20% over the last few months, up to 3 months. So if we only want to see those, we can just click on trending products and hit the find products button again, and then we're only going to see what's trending. These are going to be the best growth products for you, so these are the products we're going to want to source from this company. And then of course there's a ton of other filters. So we can filter it by price, so we can only see products that may be selling for at least $15 or $20, whatever it is you want. We can leave the from we'll set that to 20 with the maximum, no maximum limit on it. And then we can only see those products that are selling for over $20, that are trending, have a lot of growth. And we can also do the same thing with new products. As we can see, this is a new listing, so that means it's recently just popped up within the last 2 weeks. And then there's a ton of other filters that we can do. We can filter it to only, see FBA or merchant fulfilled, or see products that Amazon or sellers on, estimated sales and revenue. You can limit our rating, so maybe only to see things that have at least a rating of a 4.0. We can limit the number of sellers. If you're looking at things from really popular brands, Hasbro, Mattel, Lego. If you're looking at toys, then some of those products may have hundreds of sellers, and personally, that's something we want to stay away from. And of course, you may want to keep, a lower rank, things that are under 100,000. Usually are a great start. So we can narrow all those down, see the trending products. We can reach out to our distributor or rep from whatever brand that you're looking at, and then let them know the things that you want. You can even export it into an Excel. A CSV spreadsheet is what it downloads, and then you'll have it all in one place. You can just copy and paste it and send that over to your rep and see what's available, see what your pricing is, and make an order. It makes it super simple for dealing with brands that you're already have some kind of a relationship with. And if you guys want to check it out, we'll have a link down in the description, and they have a 7-day free trial. There's tons of other features, so check out some of our other videos on some of the other features, as well as a Chrome extension. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.